Hi everyone, welcome to the Science Museum. My name's Sam, and today we're using our scientific investigation skills to investigate a balloon.
Sam and Alexandra demonstrate a variety of fun experiments in Wonderlab at the Science Museum. Title: Hydrogen Balloon.
My friend Alexandra is in our show space with the balloon. There are obvious things like the colour of it, but we are more interested in what is inside it. We know it's a gas because it's filling up all the space inside it and we can squidge it. We can see that the balloon is floating in the air, and if Alexandra pushes it down, it comes back up. So this tells us it is lighter than air. Now you may have had balloons like this at parties where if you let go they float away and everyone's very sad. Well, the gas in them is helium. But it could be another gas that we have here at the Science Museum in our balloon called hydrogen, which is sometimes used as rocket fuel. Now, there's a few different tests we could do to see which gas it is, but the main difference between helium and hydrogen is helium is inert, so it doesn't catch fire, whereas hydrogen is very flammable. So the test Alexandra's going to do is set fire to it. And she's going to be using an amazing bit of apparatus called a candle on a stick. So Alexandra's going to make herself safe and then blow up the balloon.
The balloon explodes in flames.
So now we know it's hydrogen and not helium. We can also see why hydrogen is used as rocket fuel. All that explosive power pushing our rockets up to space.
Sam looks skyward. Science Museum Group.